A process flow diagram is a flowchart that links all of the individual activities of a manufacturing or service delivery process. A PFD is one of the required deliverables while designing a manufacturing process for new product development. A PFD is also the foundation for the creation of further process documentation, such as process failure modes and defect analysis, or PFMEA, control plan, and operator instructions. A PFD should be created for all the components, subsystems, and systems of a product being manufactured. A PFD of a component illustrates the process flow of an individual part. For example, in the transmission mechanism of a car, the process that illustrates the manufacturing steps of an individual gear can be associated with the component PFD. In the same way, a PFD of a subsystem illustrates the process flow of a subassembly part. A group of components forms a subassembly. The process that illustrates the manufacturing steps of a gear assembly can be associated with the subsystem PFD. Similarly, a PFD of a system illustrates the process flow of the final assembly part. A group of subassemblies forms an assembly. The process that illustrates the manufacturing steps of the entire transmission system can be associated with the system PFD. PFDs help ensure every product or service provided to the customer meets all of the customer's requirements. It is important for a PFD to include the online and offline activities in a manufacturing process. An online activity refers to the steps that need to be performed during the manufacturing of a product, such as machining, forming, heat treatment, and in-process inspection. An offline activity refers to the steps that need to be performed after the production of a part, such as quality audit, movement, and storage. Otherwise, the activities that affect the quality performance of a product or service will remain undocumented. Precise, step-by-step documentation is critical to evaluate the risk involved in a manufacturing process and to define the controls that manage the risk.